So what's going on YouTube? I'm out here working on 007. You know, my 07 Cadillac Escalade. I went to go replace my engine cover, which is right here, the other day. And when I went to go replace the engine cover, one of the fittings that go into the firewall just so happened to shatter. So while I'm waiting to replace that, I also ordered this. Right here, which is brake light sensor switch. And we're gonna put that under there, underneath the steering wheel. So I'm gonna be replacing that while I wait for my parts to come from Amazon. They said they should be here this evening sometimes. But we're gonna fix this switch for now. So what you're gonna need is a 10mm ratchet and a screwdriver, which I have to find somewhere. So, got my little 10mm ratchet. Got this little pick. I don't know where's my screwdriver. I have my tools and candy. And this is the brake light sensor switch that we're going to be replacing. So I'm going to put these down here while I crawl. Let me move the computer out of the way and crawl underneath here. So let's see what we're working with. Where's the switch at? Is that it? No, that's not it. All right. There it is. Right there. Everyone else's seems so easy to get to, but mine's looks a little more difficult. This is an 07 Cadillac Escalade. A lot of people are doing them in Silverados. So, I don't know. Let me figure this one out. I'll get back.
A few moments later.
Okay. So, where we were before. In the 2007 Cadillac Escalade, there is no screw. So the 10mm ratchet, you don't even need. Well, some vehicles must have it like this. I just had this clip. I pulled the clip up, took the clip off, pulled this off. You reinstall it. And then you slide the clip right back on. Once you get this clip off, this clip goes on. Well, let me pull it off so you guys can see. So when you get this off, you work it this way, it'll come out. You push this piece back on there. When you push it back on, push this part flat. Push this part flat, make sure that groove is exposed. This clip, you see how it's wider at the top and smaller at the bottom. That's how it locks in. So you put it on like this, you push it in, push it up, and it clips on. Boom. Now that's on. Take this plug right here and you plug it back in there. Boom, click. Brake light sensor switch, which also controls cruise control. New one right up in there. Boom. And we're done.